name is Felicia, and thank you so much for stopping by today. In today's video, I am continuing my brand new Christmas series, Cozy Christmas at Home. In this video, I am going to be taking you guys along with me as I make final touches to my kitchen area for the Christmas season. Now, before we begin that process, I just want to show you a simple DIY that I'm going to be using in the vignette in that area. Now, this is the item that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that absolutely adorable? Now, I purchased this deer from the Dollar Tree for only $1. And what I did for it to coordinate with my theme in my kitchen is I just simply added this red and white ribbon in the candy cane stripe, and I also added in this glittery ribbon that is aligned with red and white stripes to coordinate with the color scheme that is in my kitchen. Somehow that seemed to evolve that my colors downstairs was going to be in red and white. So just by doing this little simple addition to this particular deer, I have a decorative piece to complete my kitchen vignette. So if you want to see how this turns out, just continue watching. So now I am showing you the shelves that I am going to be using to decorate in my kitchen. So I have two shelves, and as you can see, I've already mounted the deer that I showed you earlier. It's already set in place. So now we're just going to begin adding all the decor pieces to these shelves to complete this look for the Christmas season. Now before we begin, I'm just going to show you the items that I am going to be using to complete this vignette. These are the items that I am going to be using today to decorate this vignette. As you can see, I have my flocked bottle brush Christmas trees here. I have a little Santa salt and pepper shaker. I have this adorable little dessert or salad plate with the little gingerbread theme on it. I'm also going to be using this particular Christmas ornament right here that is actually a little camper. I'm going to try to get that in there so you can see. Try to move everything out of the way. I'm going to use this little camper right here. I'm also going to use this lantern, and I'm also going to be using these mugs as well. So I'm not using a lot of pieces, and I also have that little sign, keep calm and drink hot chocolate. I might just attach that up there as well. So let's get started decorating. So we're going to start with the bottom shelf first. I am going to go ahead and put my plate holder in place. And I'm just going to go ahead and put in this adorable little salad plate here. I'm going to put that in place. Okay, at an angle. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add in my little mugs here. I'm going to go ahead and add these up here because this is actually, these shelves are actually an extension to my hot cocoa bar. So this just gives me extra space. So if I need some additional mugs, I can have them in place. And so let me see what else I'm going to add there. I'm just taking a look around and see what I have. So I think what I'm going to do is add some of my little bottle brush trees here. So I'm just going to make some adjustments right there. And I'm going to put one in here. And I'm also going to use, let's see. No, I don't think I want to use that one. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and add in this salt and pepper shaker. I don't know how I want that. I don't know. Let's go up to the next shelf because now I'm not quite sure. We're going to come back So let's ease on up to this top shelf right here. And let's see what we're going to do there, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my lantern. So that's going to be the next piece that I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and install this lantern. So now I've added my lantern. So the next item I'm going to add is some bottle brush trees. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my camera. So I'm going to get up on my little step stool and see can I get that in there. So I'm just going to place each item accordingly. So I'm just going to stick those up there. And I'm going to put one about right here in a little group. And I think that's all I'm going to put on that particular shelf. All right, and so I'm going to come back down and take a look at that, and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to step back down to this bottom shelf, and I'm just going to add in my little bottle brush trees right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put both of those in there. So I'm going to put the larger one on the end here and put the smaller one like that. And I'm just going to make some adjustments because I don't like that sitting there. I'm just going to move this over some because I don't want it to fall off. And I'm just going to add this one kind of in the back at an angle. Then I'm going to put the smaller one in front. And then I am going to add my salt and pepper shaker here. So let me go ahead and add in this little guy. Want Santa Claus on the scene, right? So I'm just going to set him right up here beside my little bottle brush trees. And the thing, I like these little bottle brush trees because they're so flexible and bendable. So if they're looking kind of wampus, you can go ahead and make those adjustments. And then I'm just going to add my little cutesy sign just for fun here. I'm going to go ahead and add that in there. Okay, and I'm just going to add that on a tip right here. Hang it right there. Keep calm and drink some hot chocolate. And I think I like what I have. So I'm just going to go ahead and come back and let you have a closer look of what I've done. Okay, you guys, this is the final look, and I'm just giving you a closer view at how I installed everything on these shelves. And this lantern actually lights up, by the way, but I don't have any AAA batteries. I burned this thing so much, so I'm out, so I will add some more on. So this is what the top shelf looks like up close. And this is what the bottom shelf looks like up close. So we got Santa Claus on the corner. And we have our little Baking Spirits Bright, another bottle brush tree, and our beautiful gingerbread coffee mugs. And so that is the final look, you guys. And also the little sign. And yeah, I've got some nail holes on the wall. We need to fill those in because I used to have a plate rack here. And that's where those holes are coming from. And yeah, this is what she looks like. Very simple, easy to put together, and ready for the Christmas season. So I just want to thank you all for stopping by my channel today. If you would, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with as many people as you can. And by all means, please kindly subscribe to my channel. And until the next video, you guys, Merry Christmas and happy decorating. Bye-bye.